is our twittering tree. It's a poplar, 28 meters high, and a very big tree. So what do you think, how old is this tree?
I have no idea.
No idea. It's 30 years old. So we have been measuring the tree rings and counting the rings, and it is a 30-year-old poplar. And it is connected to the TweeWatch network. This network has been invented by colleagues of us from Ghent University, and it makes possible that we measure sap flow and growth of trees in real time. And this is a special thing, a new thing. And in addition, this tree is also able to tell us about the measurements. And this is what we do via the tweets.
So why is it twittering?
It is twittering to make people aware that a tree is not just a quiet individual where nothing is happening inside. And on the contrary, there are a lot of things happening inside of this tree that you cannot see. We see leaves falling and we see leaves getting green, but what we don't see is the interesting things that happen inside this tree.
What do we see here?
This looks quite complicated, but it's actually two main components. One is this Dendro Meter. This Dendro Meter is measuring the extension of the stem with very high precision. So actually it's sending a value every minute and registering the growth of this tree and also the movement of the whole stem. The other part is here, that is the Sap Flow Meter, and this measures the water sap flow, the water flow in the tree. These two boxes here, this one and this one, they are picking up the data and transmitting the data, and that makes it possible that I'm sitting behind my desk, I'm picking up this data, and I actually can see what my tree is doing all day long. This is a little climate station, and it's measuring air humidity and temperature. And this is important because if the air is very dry, the tree transpires more water, so there's a direct link between the environmental conditions and what is happening inside the tree.
And this data is also being used in twittering?
This is used in twittering. So, for instance, it could be that the information is the air gets very dry, so I have to transpire a lot of water and I'm getting into stress.
Is this the only twittering tree in the world?
No, actually it's the 5th twittering tree here in the Netherlands now. We have 3 twittering trees in Belgium, and we have 1 twittering tree in Germany. The twittering, that is a little bit a gimmick thing. It's to make people aware of what is happening inside the tree. But behind there is a lot of serious science, which means that by using this equipment, we can better understand how trees react to environmental conditions.